why an SEO campaign fails, there could be 10 possible reasons, which are: one is the absence of the synonyms in the contents. You're just repeating the same keywords again and again. Second is the lack of the fresh contents. We can say lack of freshness. Third is you have a lot of duplicate contents. Fourth is the titles of the articles are very short. Short article titles. Fifth is the content is very low. So suppose you have articles that you have written are less than 500 words, which is a very low figure. 6. So site speed. 7 is there are no images in your article, or images without the tags, title, and description or caption. Tags, I mean to say the alt tags. Then the 8th possible reason is the whole article doesn't have any sort of tags, and which makes really difficult for the search engines to find the relevancy of your contents. The 9th is the not enough volume. The keywords that you're targeting, they just don't have enough volumes. And the 10th is you have the repetitive topics. Although you have written uniquely, there is no duplicate contents, but they are repetitive. For, let's say, you are writing the topics on the deforestation and you are repeating the same stuff over again and again with the different words, then that also makes a trouble for the SEO. So if you think any of your sites falls for this following 10 reason, then your site's SEO is definitely not doing good. Thank you.